Today in maths, it's going to be a fairly practical lesson, and we're going to be doing weighing. We're going to be comparing the weight of different objects, a bit of estimating, and a bit of rounding up and rounding down, really. The first thing we're going to do, though, is our warm-up. Right, the short date in your maths book, which is 21/5/20, and the LO, which is halving. Remember, if you're halving an odd number, you're going to end up with a half in your answer. So if we had 5 oranges and we halved them, we would have 2½ oranges. Remember to use your partitioning knowledge to work out halves of each of these numbers. Pause the video while you write down your answers. Now get a coloured pencil out and we'll mark the answers. Pause the video so you can see them. Then press play again once you've marked it all and awarded yourself some house points depending on how well you think you have done. And we will carry on with the next part of the lesson. Write the LO and the short date in your maths book. Pause the video if you need longer to get it written down. The first thing I need you to do is to go and find 6 random objects in your house or in the classroom if you're in school of different sizes. Don't pick anything too heavy, and certainly don't pick anything you know your parents wouldn't like you to have. Then what I need you to do is I need you to arrange the objects from lightest to heaviest. The best way of doing this is to pick up 2, one in each hand, and work out which one's heavier, which one's lighter, and then do that with all of them. Then I would like you to draw them in your maths book and label them with a line just above them saying lightest on one end of the line, heaviest on the other. Award yourself some house points depending on how good you were at guessing the right object. For the second part of the lesson, what you need to do is you need to select an object, estimate how much you think it weighs, then weigh it, and then round up or down the weight to the nearest 10 grams. We were going to finish the session with a game of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire to do with weight. However, when I've reviewed the video recording that I've made of it, it is not showing all of the PowerPoint, so it's only showing the first 2 answers you can choose from. If I can work out how to solve that out, I will post it as another video. However, there are 60 slides, so unless I can make it record properly, unfortunately that isn't going to happen.